Alright, so let's get started. To start off, I'm going to fill in my brows with the e.l.f. Brow Pomade, and I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. And then to set them, I'm using the NYX Control Freak. So for the eyes, I'm going to start with the Jackie Aina palette. I believe I took either edges and ginger mixed together or just edges by itself, but just any natural brown color will do. And then I started taking credit and packing it into my inner and outer corner before blending it into the crease. Then I'm going to take the Profusion Wanderlust palette. And I'm going to take the shade, I don't remember the shade, but I'll have all the products listed down below. And I just put this in the middle of my eye because of course we're doing a classic halo eye. This color looks really pink in the pan, but on the eyes it's more of like an iridescent purple with like reflex of pink, if that makes sense. It's super pretty. I would recommend buying this palette just for that shadow alone. Then I'm going to do a sort of a thin wing liner, and I'm just using the NYX matte liquid liner. Then I'm taking these lashes, these foaming lashes from Viso Free on AliExpress. I don't remember the exact style, but just any of the Viso Free lashes are just stunning, and they're only like $2 to $3 a lash. Alright, so moving on to the face. I'm going to start by spraying my face with the NYX Bear With Me spray. And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild hydrating balm stick, something like that. And I'm just going to put that over the face. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to use this, but that's how I've been using it. Now I'm just going with the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. This is honestly one of the best foundations that I've ever used. It looks so natural and beautiful on the skin. And then going in with the Fenty concealer. I will have my shades listed down below. The foundation and the concealer go together so well. Like, obviously, because their formulation is the same, if not similar. but this combo is fantastic. It looks so natural, guys. Like, it just looks like you're just naturally glowing, you're naturally highlighted, your skin is just naturally flawless. And then I'm going to set the under eyes with the Coty Airspun powder. Just a little bit of powder because I don't like looking too dry. Spray, spray, spray again so we don't look cakey. Then I'm going to go with the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the contour shade. If you guys have this palette or you're thinking about getting it, you have to be super careful with the contour shade, because I just barely pat my brush in it and it always looks like a huge dark streak. So I just go in with the tiniest amount, and then I go in with the Sculpt color over it, and that makes me look really snatched, really bronzy. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend you guys should all go pick it up. And then I'm taking Black Radiance Baked Blush. Again, I don't remember the color, but it will be listed down below. Then I'm taking this baked blush from Clean Color, and I'm using it as a highlighter. I just thought it went so perfect since the eyes are giving you this are iridescent, then we're going for an iridescent vibe on the cheeks, you know. I think it really played well together. Then a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. And then spray, spray, spray again. For lips, I kept it simple. I'm just using this clear champagne lip gloss from e.l.f. I think it's also a pumping gloss, which I didn't realize till after I bought it, and I really don't need any extra plumping. But it doesn't sting too bad, honestly. And that's it for the makeup. This hair, I've done a couple of videos on this wig. I will put them on the screen. Alright, for the outfit, my long sleeve is from H&M, the skirt is from Charlotte Russe, my stockings are from Target, and the heels are from Fashion Nova. Hope you guys enjoyed. Spread love, be kind. Bye, guys.